Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rust freezing problem. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to Windows Update Settings, go check for updates, and that's it. After that your problem must fix it, but if that doesn't fix it, click here, go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers, check for updates, make sure to install the latest update for your graphics card, then go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling, and after that restart your computer, and after restarting your computer go to view advanced system settings, go to settings, adjust for best performance and click apply and OK, and then your problem must be fixed. And now just go back and try again, and if that also doesn't fix it, click here. Now right click on your desktop and go to NVIDIA control panel, wait a few seconds and then this window will pop up, and go click use my preference, move it to performance, click apply and then just close it. And I hope that can help you. See you in the next video.